Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with one more easy and delicious one-pot pasta recipe. Sadly, it's the last one in this series. If you haven't watched my last two videos of this one-pot pasta series, please do check those out once you are done watching this video. I'll leave the links down below. Today I'm going to make my favorite one of the lot, a delicious creamy chicken pasta. It's super easy to make. It's almost unbelievable that something so simple can be so delicious. Start by heating about a tablespoon of olive oil in a big pan or pot. Once the oil is hot, add in your chicken fillets. Now I did marinate the chicken for about 30 minutes with just some salt, pepper and lemon juice, so it adds a little extra flavor. But if you don't have the time, that's okay. You can simply add the chicken without marinating and season it in the pan while it's cooking. So let the chicken cook till it turns white on all the sides and doesn't have that raw pink color anymore. It doesn't take long. It takes just about 5 minutes. Next, add in some sliced red onions and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Mix and saute. Sprinkle some red chili flakes to taste and some oregano for seasoning. Next goes in the pasta. I'm using some wholemeal fusilli pasta today, and I'm gonna cook this pasta in chicken broth. You can either use store-bought chicken stock Tetra packs, or you can simply dissolve one of those Maggi or Knorr chicken bouillon cubes in warm water to make your own chicken stock, which is what I generally do. Next, I'm going to add in 1 cup of milk. That's right, we are going to cook the pasta in chicken stock and milk. Cooking in milk will make it creamy and rich. Give it a good mix and then lower the flame and cover. Let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until the pasta is 95 to 98% done. Make sure to give it a stir every once in a while so that your pasta doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Once the pasta is almost done and there is just a little liquid left, we're going to add a dose of healthy by adding some broccoli. And lastly, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast will give this dish that cheesy flavor without having to use any actual cheese. But if you don't care about a few extra calories, I would highly recommend adding some shredded cheddar cheese at this point. Because who am I kidding? Nutritional yeast may be more healthy and less fattening, but it's not cheese. If you want the real deal, go ahead and add some cheddar. I have to stay away from dairy for a little while, so I'm gonna stick to nutritional yeast for now. Mix it up and cover the pan for just about a minute. Any longer than that, your broccolis will turn mushy and you don't want that. And that's all. Yet another simple, healthy and delicious one-pot meal is ready. Garnish with some green onions and dinner is served. So I hope you enjoyed this entire one-pot pasta series. Be sure to check out the other videos of this series as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this recipe, and I would really appreciate if you can show me some support by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.